Hope you're doing well. And as you can see, it's been raining in London for the whole weekend. The weather's been gloomy. I hope the sunny weather is back again. I'm back with another salad video, and let's dive into it. So the ingredients required for this salad are 100-gram green leaves, half a cup of soaked beans, half an onion, 1 tomato, 2 tablespoons of hummus, halved peanuts, salt, lemon and pepper for dressing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the onions. I'm gonna go ahead and chop the tomato. Now we're ready to make the salad. So first we're gonna go ahead and add the green leaves to the salad pan. Next we're gonna add the soaked beans. So I like beans a lot, so I've used half a cup of soaked beans. If you don't like them as much, you can reduce the quantity, but they are a great source of protein. We will add the vegetables next. Now let's add the peanuts, salt and pepper. I'm just gonna cut the lemon into half. And remove the seeds. The amount of lemon juice you want to add is approximately 2 tablespoons. If you are a fan of lemon flavor, you can go for 3 tablespoons as well. I'm just gonna squeeze it in here. And I think I got one of the lemon seeds in the salad. The last thing that we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of hummus. So I absolutely love hummus, and I wish I would have made it at home, but this is a store-bought hummus. And just give the salad a very good mix. You want to make sure that the hummus is evenly spread amongst all the leaves. So this is mostly it for the salad. Now you just have to mix it properly and it's done, it's ready to eat. This is also one of the salads that I used to eat for lunch around my office, and I miss it a lot. So I thought of recreating it during lockdown. And yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste the salad now. It's really good. I like the lemony flavor a lot. And I hope you guys give it a try, and let me know if you like it in the comment section below. Thank you.